Hello, oh, hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet, to go over everything. They say that I'm supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in Montreal dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell out of feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side.